Hi, I'm Miss Angie, your pre-K director, pre-K teacher, and elementary educator. I believe in giving my students the advantage when it comes to learning. I have prepared my curriculum for you to purchase for the upcoming new year. If you are a pre-K teacher, give your students the advantage by purchasing my curriculum. Everything that I have taught in pre-K and elementary will be available to you. I'm excited about the upcoming new year and have amazing things in store for you and my channel. Parents will be able to schedule an appointment and meet with me, Miss Angie. You will be able to ask me questions about pre-K and what to look for when selecting a great childcare center. If you would like to ask questions about elementary learning, no worries parents, I have you covered. Directors and teachers, if you have questions about center accreditations, I can help you. I have completed 5 accreditation. My last accreditation I completed by myself. Have no fear, I'm here to help you.